This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making Halloween cream cheese swirl brownies. We're going to need a half a cup of flour, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, a half a cup of baking cocoa, orange food coloring, 3 eggs, a cup of cream cheese, and 1/3 cup of oil. So let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then I'm going to take some cooking spray and spray the bottom of my pan, and I'm going to line it with parchment paper. I'm going to take my pan and set it aside. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. We're going to take our half a cup of flour, our half a cup of cocoa, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to whisk these all together. Once our dry ingredients are completely combined, we're going to set them aside. Now for our wet ingredients, we're going to take 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/3 cup of oil. We're actually going to mix these together with a fork. We're going to pour our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients, and we're going to mix it together just until it's combined. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of our brownie mix and set it aside, and we're going to use this for the swirl top. We're going to put the remainder into our prepared pan. We're going to spread it evenly across the pan. Now for our cream cheese layer, we're going to take our half a cup of room temperature cream cheese, add a half a teaspoon of vanilla, an egg, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. We're going to mix this together. We're going to blend until smooth, and then we're going to add our food coloring. So if you have orange, add orange. I have yellow and red, so I'm going to mix the two, and we're just going to play with it until we get the orange color that we want. I want mine to be a little deeper orange than this, so I'm going to add a little more red. Here we go, nice and orange. We're going to smooth this gently on top of our brownie mixture. Now we're going to drop a tablespoon, approximately, of the brownie mixture on top in a couple of places. And we're gently going to swirl these into our mixture. We're going to bake this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. We're going to let these cool for 30 minutes before we cut them. These do look like Halloween. The bright orange contrast against the dark browns just look fantastic. It's time to taste it. These are delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Happy Halloween!